Hey, this is the DIY Magician, and we're here with another how to create upcycle puppets or how to make a really big frog puppet the hard way. This is the Boppin' Frog. Let me get my glasses on. I know I keep saying that, but I have to do that. The Boppin' Frog sings, dances to What a Wonderful World when you squeeze its foot. Wow, they talk about batteries. I mean, there's a lot of information on this. Let's see, turn on here to sing, 3 AAA batteries, all that good stuff. And we're just going to go ahead and try it out. Here we go. You ready? Wow. It's working. Wow. It works almost. Let's do something here. I paid $2 for it, $1.91 at one of my favorite local thrift stores. I have several that I go to, and it's kind of a ew. These are nasty, cruddy ones too. These they're starting to starting to go bad. Okay, so let's do this. Off stage, I'm going to throw them nowhere near the trash can. Okay, that was number 1. That's with the garage door. And here, let's try number 3. Yes! Got it! Okay, so let's get rid of some of that crud there. Let's... Get rid of that stuff. And it's a good thing I was wearing glasses, right? You always want to wear safety glasses. And we're going to try it again. Let's hopefully see the performance go a little bit better than the first time. You ready? Here we go. Wow. These are fresh batteries. I think maybe the acid or whatever. There we go. That's working better. Is it a wonderful world? What a wonderful world. That's right. Whoa. Yeah. What a wonderful world. Watch this, the grand finale. All right. Okay. Worked a lot better with fresh batteries. Let's get rid of those. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now, this one is a little more complicated on the bottom. By the way, I'm going to get this ribbon off. I have no clue as to what that was all about. Let's see. This one has 4 screws on the bottom. I am going to try and keep the mechanism on this one because, frankly, it works and it's cool. And maybe eventually when I'm satisfied with getting rid of going through all these little animals and showing you how they work inside, that we will create some fun animatronic figures that we can use to do magic or puppetry or what have you. That one doesn't want to come out, and that might be our clinker. There we go, that one's coming out. See, that's the thing. Some of these, I hope, will be used for future gadgets and fun stuff. And I'm going to try one more thing here. Use my Dollar Tree handy dandy drill screwdriver thing. There we go. The little tiny one wasn't enough, so I just needed a little more meat on the bit, and we were able to remove that screw. I guess I probably jumped ahead. I probably shouldn't have. Okay, so let's keep all those there. Got all 4 there. Okay. Now, this little guy should pop right off the bottom. Should. There it goes. And look, it was just literally press fit in there. Okay. So let's go ahead and pull this over like that. Almost, there it goes. This looks like it's going to be a pretty cool a toy or a puppet, and then the mechanism itself is pretty good if I can remove the doll without breaking the actual mechanism. That would be awesome. Okay, so that's there, and it's coming right out. As usual, it's probably sewn into the mouth, but maybe not. Yep, okay. Get my scissors, because I can't say skizzers. I have to call them scissors. Sorry about that, Barry. All right. Okay. See? I think to myself, what a wonderful world to be able to do this, have fun with it, and show you all the fun we're having by doing it. Right? Hope we're having fun doing this. If not, we're wasting our time. Okay, so I'll tell you what, the button goes all the way down, but I'm going to just jump ahead because frankly you know how to remove those buttons and you know how to remove all the other stuff. But right there, I say, trying to come up with all these fun voices, I say we have a puppet here. I think you're right. Ha! Too much like my voice. Let's see. What would he be? More of a croaky? I'm happy to be here. And get your hand out of me. I don't know. So look at that. So there he is. A big frog puppet or giant frog puppet. And I can get in there and get all that stuff. And we can also use the mechanism for something later on. Croak, croak, ribbit. So there he is. Hey, we did it. Thank you guys very much for coming along and hanging out with me. For those of you who have been here before, for those of you who are new to the channel, subscribe for updates. That's the best way to get them. And thank you very much for coming along. This is the DIY Magician. Until next time, bye-bye.